Welcome to this gratitude meditation. This meditation has been written by Malika Sabunani. Gratitude is what each and every one of us feels. Thank you for our loving families, homes, and nutritious meals. Our lives are filled with abundance and choices, knowledge and skills, and powerful voices to share with those who may not yet know what it means when they say, "You reap what you sow." The universe loves and supports us. This is true. It grants us our wishes, our words and feelings too. We fill our hearts, minds, and bodies with love and peace, feeling worthy, deserving of all goodness with ease. We share this joyful energy with everything and everyone we meet, in our homes with family and friends, and all lives, even on the street. This life we've been given is a gift so abundant. We are blessed with all riches in health, wealth, and success. We're triumphant. In relationships and togetherness with all creations on our planet, with dense forests, clean, flowing, full rivers, what a beautiful home we inhabit, from snow-capped mountains to the vast and full seas. To have all comforts one can imagine, so we're also able to teach all humans to live in harmony with our incredible Mother Earth and coexist with all species with compassion, kindness, and mirth. We live our lives full of happiness, peace, and joy, freedom, brotherhood, sisterhood, and kindness we employ, shining bright with healing love, light without borders or walls. We are safe on our planet. We're all loved by all. Everyone is unique. That's why we're here. Each one is more than complete. Let love envelope our beautiful planet, and everything on our planet be vibrating with healing, loving, light, and joy. Closing your eyes, just placing your hands over your heart, taking a few moments to set an intention and manifestation, and allowing your mind to see you at the end, to allow your thought to be full of healing, love, light, and joy, allowing your vibrations to elevate to the next level, to allow you to reach this manifestation.